The antibiotics are no doubt the wonders of modern medicine, beginning with the discovery of penicillin in 1928. In 1940, antibiotics spread dramatically around the world, prompting doctors and people to forget about natural antibiotics and avoid them in the treatment of infections such as those used in ancient times: fish oil and whale liver oil. This major change in the medical model in recent decades has led to the misuse of antibiotics by over-discharging and ingestion, leading to increased antibiotic resistance and non-response to bacteria called TDR, completely drug-resistant. Excessive treatment of infection using chemical drugs also kills beneficial bacteria in the gut. This results in bowel disorders. The intestinal balance can be restored and the defect corrected by taking probiotic, which returns the normal flora to its normal level. Recent studies, however, have shown that beneficial bacteria, especially in the intestines, may change permanently due to the use of drugs, especially antibiotics, and this may last for at least several years. Ultimately, antibiotic-based therapies should be prescribed only in life-threatening situations if they must be used as a last resort. For non-life-threatening infections such as colds, leukemia, and infections of the skin and sinuses, nature offers some powerful and effective alternatives. Antibiotic natural sources. Oregano oil. There are more than 40 different varieties of oregano, but the best and strongest as an anti-infectious therapeutic effect is wild oregano. Uses. Treatment of foot and nail fungus. Place a tablespoon of oregano oil in a small amount of water and soak your feet in it. Oregano oil can be diluted by placing a drop of it in a tablespoon of olive oil, and put the mixture directly on the nails and skin. Treatment of parasites and infections. Dilute the oil, as previously explained, put the mixture under your tongue, leave it for a few minutes and then get rid of it, and repeat this process at least 4 times a day. Treatment of sinuses. Apply a few drops of oregano in boiled water and steam inhalation. Chili pepper. It is a strong spice that has been used for thousands of years for its strong therapeutic properties and its anti-infection effect. This benefit is not just an ancient popular use but its antidote effect and its use as scientifically proven antibiotic. Pepper is particularly effective in the treatment of vaginal infections common in women, where a study found that pepper oil is effective as an antifungal and bacteria causing this condition. It should be noted that pepper oil should be diluted with olive oil, because pepper oil has a burning effect when it first touches the skin. Pepper is also suitable for home use to eliminate bacteria that injure the throat. Extract of exotic seeds. The grapefruit seed extract was recorded as a natural antibiotic that is highly effective against the most common causes of infection. A study showed that a concentrated drop of exotic grape extract works as an antibiotic for a number of bacteria. It has been used as a topical antibiotic and has been used effectively in the control of warts as a home remedy. Garlic. Within all antibiotics, garlic is preferred on a personal level and is suitable for internal use. The reason is that he has the ability to kill the pathogen. Not only bacteria but also fungi and viruses without harming the beneficial natural bacteria present in the intestines. Garlic contains phytochemicals, as well as sulfur, which binds to toxic heavy metals such as lead and cadmium in preparation for their removal from the body. Garlic possesses antibacterial and fungal properties as well as viruses. Promotes the growth of beneficial bacteria in the intestine by its action, a probiotic. Garlic helps prevent fat from oxidation. Garlic works as a powerful antioxidant, fights against DNA damage and destroys it. Protects against damage caused by exposure to different radiation and sunlight. Garlic fights against worms and parasites. Has many benefits in digestion. Rich in many foods containing vitamins C, B1, B2, B3, minerals such as calcium, iron, folic acid, magnesium, manganese, phosphorus, potassium, selenium, zinc, allicin, beta-carotene, beta-sitosterol, caffeic acid, rutin, stigmasterol, and saponin. Allicin, which is present in garlic, is a powerful and effective antibiotic against MRSA, one of the most popular antibiotic-resistant bacteria. Common household uses include the use of marinated garlic in olive oil to treat ear and other external infections. The way. 1 garlic clove is sautéed and soaked in a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of virgin olive oil, and left for 30 minutes. The mixture is heated a little by placing it in warm water while avoiding heating it at high temperatures, which may cause loss of natural benefits. Use several drops of warm mixture in each ear to get rid of inflammation and bacterial infection. Garlic oil is safe for children, and several drops can be used daily to relieve accumulated earwax. Ginger. Studies have shown that fresh ginger is an antibiotic against foodborne pathogens, such as Salmonella, Listeria, and Campylobacter. Also, fresh ginger increases the production of stomach acid, thus helping to relieve indigestion. Therefore, if you are going to eat food that is likely to transmit diseases such as sushi or oysters, it is recommended to take fresh ginger and use it as a preventive antibiotic. Olive leaf extract. Many people are unaware of the benefits of olive leaf extract as a natural antibiotic. Studies on the olive leaf extract found that they had healing properties against malaria, as well as their ability to reduce heat and reduce fever during severe health problems. During the last century, oleuropein was isolated from the olive tree leaf, which is credited with disease resistance. Studies have also shown that alanolic acid, a component of oleuropein, is a natural antibiotic against not only bacteria but also fungi and viruses. Turmeric. Turmeric is a seasoning used in cooking widely in India and has been used throughout history for centuries. In her research, Dr. Kelly Brogan has shown that curcumin in turmeric has an effective anti-Helicobacter pylori, the most common gastric ulcer of the stomach, where curcumin repairs any contagious damage caused by the infection. Turmeric also has high effectiveness in treating symptoms caused by nasal allergies and fever. Echinacea plant. Fenugreek is a type of herb widely used to fight infection and has undergone extensive scientific research. The plant is used in the fight against infection caused by cold symptoms, and infection in the upper respiratory tract. It is also used against other types of infections, such as leukemia, urethra infection, vaginal infections caused by fungus, and septicemia, a bacterial infection that affects the blood, tonsillitis and gum disease. Honey. Honey is an effective antibiotic with great benefits. Manuka honey, produced in New Zealand, is the best honey, which has anti-infection properties. According to Dr. Morkala, clinical trials have shown that Manuka honey is effective against more than 250 strains of bacteria, including MRSA, methicillin-resistant Staphylococcus aureus, methicillin-sensitive Staphylococcus aureus (MSSA), VAC, vancomycin-resistant Enterococci, H. pylori causing stomach ulcers.